Ako, ina-advocate ko tong House Bill 8672 basically to integrate our jail system kasi napaka-fragmented niya. We have to change the mindset now of our society. We have to change the mindset in governing and yung kumbaga yung issue of kumbaga right sizing panahon na eh. So napaka-importante nitong integration ng ating jail system kasi ito magbibigay sa atin ng mas maayos at mas focused na solusyon dun sa mga problema na kinaharap ng ating prison system.
Si Mandela mismo nagsabi, prison health is public health. So, dapat, we hope na si Congressman is very open to supporting it and we are very glad for it.
A lot of people in
Yung boss ko po, si Director Roel S. Rivera, is very supportive of it. Kasi he also sees the need of unifying all of the corrections, all of the facilities of detentions dito po sa Pilipinas.
Kayong copy ng bill natin para mabigyan sila. Para at least they can have yung mga comments dun sa issues. Diba? Alam mo, kailangan nating humanap ng solusyon dun sa lahat ng problema. Kasi we have to ask the question why always dun sa mga problema na kinakaharap ng bawat bureaus na under dito sa ating integrated jail management system. Kasi, kumbaga, why is the Bucor like that? Why is the BJMP like this? Why are PDLs being, kumbaga, forgotten in terms of everything? Diba? Yung mga ganong questions dapat sagutin din natin dun sa issue ng prison system natin.
Hindi ko alam bakit ang ingay nito ni Sir.
Passionate tayo na alam natin.
Yes, sir. Honestly, si Congressman lang yung may pinakamatagal na time na ni-spend sa amin. We are very happy because he has empathy.
Really wanted to really have spend time with you, talk to you, and know all your concerns. Kasi at the end of the day, kayo yung stakeholder dito sa ginagawa ko. May kinabang dito, not just you, but the future generation of officers for the Bureau, di ba?
He understands the Bureau itself. So we are happy na at long last, meron kaming tinitingnan na somebody who will champion yung mga causes ng BJMP.
Man, sige, ano yun ako doon? Pleasure. Picture tayo. Halika, sama kayo lahat. Phone call, just mabalos. One
Yes, sir.
phone call away lang po ako.
Thank you, sir.
Doc.
Napaka-impactful po siguro nung naging usapan sa ngayon and we are looking forward for a good result in the future.
We are happy po na isa po siya sa ganun po na willing and magtumulong po sa amin.
Napaka-significant ito because what we're doing, napapansin nila. Para sila mag-open up sa akin at magbigay ng mga iba pang suhestyon upang mas mapaganda natin yung batas na ating gustong ipasa, ito talagang significant, especially not just for me personally, but for the group I represent, yung Bicol Saro Party List. Pero yun, gagamitin natin as a tool to, kumbaga, give more. And give more of what I have and what I have learned from several years I've been in government service to really better yung craft natin and yung especially itong batas na gusto natin ipasa in terms of yung ating integrated jail system. And yung kanyang binigay sa aking inspirasyon ay gagamitin ko para mas lalo ko mapaganda at maisaayos ang buhay ng bawat preso sa ating sistema ng prison system natin.